Hi guys, Todd here again with TW Home Show. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be on the DeWALT tool organizer setup that I received this Christmas from my wife, and I got all kinds of different variations of this TSTAK setup by DeWALT, and we're going to go over them today and show you exactly what choices you have and how do they actually work in your case for tools or fasteners and stuff like that. So stay tuned guys, we'll get started. Welcome back guys. So the first thing I got was this DeWALT main base unit. I got the base unit to start because number one, it's for your monster tools, right? Anything that you have that is big and huge can fit in this setup right here. Comes with a tray in the top there for any type of small tools. I do have stud finder in here, and I got also, a Allen wrench setup. This right here, these come with each tool organizer unit you get. These are rippable tags you can rip off and label your tool organizers right here. These little plastic covers will lift up like that. You put your label in there and then snap that back down, and then you've got everything labeled before you even open the box. You kind of have a clue what's in there, so that's handy. Down in here, this tray is removable, of course, and I've got a couple extra hardware containers with lids. These come with some of the other TSTAK units. I'll show you those in a minute. But I got like a all-purpose saw here, RYOBI, hole saw kit right here, 90-degree power drill, and my handy RYOBI cutter. This thing's awesome. This can work on all different sorts of predicaments you get into, and that's pretty much what I got here. All your heavy or big tools will go into this setup right here. And we can close it on up. And nice latches here. That's how you close it up, guys. Now look at this. This is the main unit. Why I got it, one of the purposes is because it does have this handle and wheels. So you got heavy duty wheels right here. They are plastic wheels, but they seem to be holding up very well. And this handle is kind of like a suitcase travel handle. You push the button on the top here and you can lift it, guys. Either there you leave it, or it pops up and snaps in right here. Nice rollable toolbox. And you can also stack other TSTAK organizers right on top of here with these little latches. I'll show you that in a minute. All right, next TSTAK system I have here is two pieces, actually, two cases. Each of them have its own handle on the case, and then they can TSTAK latch together. Just press the latch in on each side, and now when you lift it, you're taking this whole drawer setup with you. These are the drawer TSTAKs right here. All right, notice how I have these labeled. I got this knife and tape measure right here. So I've got utility knives in here, convenient razor knife, flip open, extra razor blades. I got a marker, some scissors, some electrical tape. Also got a voltage meter, electric tester. This one's pretty cool because it's got a flashlight built on, because every time you go working on an electrical box you probably have the breaker off. So this flashlight comes in really handy on this electrical tester. I like that one. I'll leave the links to all this stuff down below the video in the description. And of course I got a couple tape measures. Both are self-locking, easy to read. Next drawer, screwdrivers. So I just bought a whole Craftsman set of screwdrivers. It came with pretty much all these except for this one I bought separate. This is cool to have if you're going into a job knowing you're going to need a screwdriver, but you don't know if it's a flat head screw or a Phillips screw or which size. So you can flip this around, nice and handy screwdriver, multi-tool set. And guys, I want to show you this little trick here. This came with the Craftsman screwdriver set. It's a demagnetizer, magnetizer. Now, if you say, for instance, you're going in somewhere and you don't want to drop a screw down a wall or something like that, notice how this is not magnetized, the screwdriver. All I do is go into the magnetizer here. This is some wizardry right here, some wizard trick. So just rub it around in there in the magnetizer. Now all of a sudden, magnetized, guys. Awesome. You will not drop your screw now. Now, demagnetizer. If you don't want it magnetized anymore, take your screwdriver, put it in there, demagnetizer. Now all of a sudden the screw will not stick, will not magnetize anymore. Pretty cool, huh? I thought it was cool. And of course you got this small size. All this was the Craftsman screwdriver set, and I did label it on the DeWALT front there. Real easy to label. Easy for me to say, but these pry up. You put your label, TSTAK label in there, and then slide it right down there. Now your drawer is labeled. It's got like a little push button release here, so these lock into place. They won't pull out unless you push the button on the back side of this handle. And they are ball bearing drawer roller sides, hinges. Slide really easy. The drawers are lightweight plastic, but you can feel that it's running on ball bearings, nice and smooth. And they click in place. I like that. So next drawer down, I got pliers and wrenches. I got this affordable plier set. They came with needle nose, different size needle nose, regular pliers, cutter combination, and then I also bought this multiple size crescent wrench, adjustable crescent wrench set. So I got all my pliers and stuff in there. So nice, organized. I like this. Next one down, side cutters. So I got all kinds of cutters, the 10 snip cutters right here. This is Amazon Basics brand right here, Amazon Basics. Very affordable for a toolbox you need quickly for small odd jobs. This is a wire stripper by Klein Tools. I got this from. And you put your wire in there and it to the right size hole there, and then it will cut down on the wire casing and then pull it apart like that. Really fast wire stripper. And then a couple plier cutters that came with my set. That's all on this TSTAK unit, guys. Let's move along. Next up, guys, now this unit back here I just showed you come 2 drawers per unit, right? This unit here is 1 tall drawer per unit. So this is 2 different DeWALT TSTAK units right here. This one right here I'm about ready to show you, this is actually 3 different big drawer units, deep drawer units by TSTAK DeWALT. And this is for your heavier items or larger items. Right here I got sockets, saw, and level in here. So I got a socket set, I got a level, and I got a drywall keyhole saw, just as I labeled it. Also I got this handy extended magnet in case you lose something. It's got a built-in light. That's pretty cool. just twist it for the light. Next one down, screws and washers. Now, I forgot to tell you, these deep drawer sets come with these organizer units like this in a couple different sizes, as you see here, with the lid tops on them that are, you can open up kind of like a hinge. I got some drywall screws in here, some long ones, some short drywall screws here. The lids can come off if you need them to. And if you want, if you're at a job site, you can just grab this unit out of your drawer and take it anywhere you want to your work area. Of course, you need washers. I got, in this one, all kinds of size washers in there. And other miscellaneous sheet metal screws. Third drawer unit down is fasteners I got labeled. So I got some toggle bolts, different size toggle bolts and lengths. Also got some drywall insert anchors. These work good going into your drywall. Screw these plastic casings in, and then it comes with a screw, so that will hold into your drywall really well. And then I got some assortment of brackets, steel angle brackets, in case I need a bracket. And last thing, all kinds of different size of nylon tie straps, guys. Mini ones to really long ones. Everyone needs these in their tool chest. So, if you want to unlatch these, if it's too heavy to carry, first let's see. You could just pull it up like this. And I can carry all this, see? It's kind of heavy, but it's doable. Then you could unlatch it. The top one, if you just want to take the top case, just unlatch it like that. Now I can go to town. This is like a large lunchbox then, so that works. All right, guys, next up, these are the clear plastic tops with hinge on them. And this is 3 different units, 1, 2, 3. I got T-stacked together, locked together in place. On each side it comes with that little latch. And I can even latch more up on top of the top one. Now these, the handle is on the side here, not the top. So you got the handle on the side. You got 2 latch clasps like that. This can lift up. I like this because I'm using it to see my heavier tools, power tools, my RYOBI tools, and I can see through the top plastic glass what is in here before I open it. I don't have to search around and open each box up. And this, you'll have to buy the foam inserts, which is cool because you take that out. When you come to put your tools back in place, you know by the size and the shape of it which tool goes in which box. So I got a Dremel, RYOBI, portable battery operated Dremel tool. I got my regular power driver tool. And that one, okay, latches back up nice and easy. Okay, I'm gonna unlatch this one. Now to get into either one of these, you're gonna have to unlatch them. You know, you can keep them latched together and then hold it or carry it with like one of the middle handles until you get to where you want to. Then you can unlatch it. Then all of a sudden you see, guys, there's another setup. I got a regular RYOBI power drill and a power drill bit set right there by Milwaukee. So regular hole saw drill, and I got my Milwaukee drill bit set. Always nice to have a drill bit set. I've got some torque nut adapters as well, so that's cool. I'll leave the links to everything in the description below. And next we'll move on. We're going to unlatch it on both sides. We've got our RYOBI multi-cutter sander setup right here. And I used some of these cases that came with the drawer sets to have my different sanders and cutter adapters for this tool all in one. So guys, that's pretty cool. And guys, that pretty much wraps it up. I mean, that wraps it up for this organizer system by DeWALT. It's the TSTAK. I think you can match TSTAK with TSTAK 2 and TSTAK 3 units. I'll leave the links below to everything in Amazon so you can get your setup. This is a good method to use to start out with a set of tools. Get one of these boxes organized, then go buy another one, go get your next set of tools or fasteners, and so on. And these sets are very affordable. These sets, like right here, each unit part start out from like $25 to $32 each. So I've only got a couple $100 worth of case sets here by DeWALT, and look at what I got out of it. Now this one's a little bit more pricey. I'll leave the link below. All right guys, here it is. I'm going to show you. This is the clear top cases. Remember, the handles are on the sides here, but I got them all three latched together, and I'm using this middle handle to carry these into a job site and carry them like this. If I want, I can lift this latch up, put it on here, latch it down like that. Now all of a sudden, I've got a whole toolbox set up to wheel in there. Now let's say I needed some more stuff. See if we put this on there. Pull your latch system out, that on top, latch it in place. Now, guys, this is kind of heavy, but it's doable. This would be the highest I would ever go with that rolling box. You see there? That's the whole setup. Everything I just showed you right there.
You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds. And when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call me. Just call me. Just call me. And the lights are out and you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing